What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another video. Today we are replacing CV axles on my 2001 Subaru Forester. I'm upgrading to the Cardone heavy duty CV axles. Before we get started, please go down, subscribe, like this video. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with my Forester. I have a 2017 Nissan 370 as well. We're going to do lots of content with all of it. So, like I said, subscribe for more content. So, let's get started. So I already have the Forester lifted up, jacked up on 2 jacks and then the actual jack itself. We're going to start off with taking off the wheels, and then we're going to start unbolting everything that's necessary. I believe it's just going to be I don't have sway bars, so we don't have to disconnect sway bars. Going to have to take off the main nut bolt that goes on the end of the CV. You can kind of see it right here. We're going to take that off, the strut. And then we should be able to drop it down that way. We shouldn't have to take off any more than that, but if we do, then we're gonna have to. But if I remember correctly, that is all we're gonna have to do. And then it's simply removing the pin from the inside of the CV. And then, yeah, we should be able to pull it out. So let's get taking the wheel off. So I have the wheel off, brake lines disconnected from the strut tower. I'm now going to start disconnecting the strut. Hopefully, once I disconnect the strut and then the main bolt, I should be able to drop it down enough to be able to start pulling it out once I take out the pin on the inside, on the inner part of the CV axle. And like I said, I don't know if I've said this already, but I don't have front sway bars. I don't have rears either, so if you guys have sway bars, you're gonna have to make sure you disconnect those too, because that's gonna fight you a lot. So don't forget to take those off if you have them. Now I believe one of these are cambered, so I'm actually gonna mark them before I get going. That is definitely the wrong side. Don't mark that side. Mark this side. Goof. You mark this side, it's gonna be useless. Don't do what I did. Okay, so after much heat and a big ass pry bar, we finally got this bottom bolt off. This one was being a pain, so now I'm gonna disconnect it. Now this should be able to come out through the back, and hopefully there's enough room. You guys down. Alright, so just for reference, and because I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you guys while I'm under the car, I'm going to put a light under there, but I don't know how much I'm going to be able to hold the camera. It is very small, little area. This is the pin I'm talking about. This pin locks this in place. So when this is actually on the splines, I don't know, you can see little splines in there. This hole will line up with the shaft on the transmission, and then I should be able to slide it right in, and then it's pretty much tapping this in and it locks it in place. It's actually bigger than what the hole is. As you hammer it in, it will shrink, but it also locks it in place. You can see it's a little, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go in, take this side out, and then, yeah, like I said, I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show you guys, but hopefully that little demonstration helps you out a little bit. Alright, so I might be able to show you guys. I just rotated the axle a little bit. See the little hole there? There's a pin in there. I'm gonna knock up, and then I should be able to pull the CV out afterwards. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys. I'm gonna put you guys over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the little pin is poking out now. I just have to pull that through, and then this CV should be loose. Oh, almost lost you guys. So the pin fell, I don't know where, but now I should be able to just boom. This is the old guy. I actually just replaced the boot. This one right here. No, this one. This one actually tore a while ago, like I said earlier in the video. So I replaced it. It looked like it was leaking anyway, so yeah, this is the new CV. Alright, so now that we have the CV out, I got a nice new light in there. We're gonna be able to see how to do it, or see what we're doing properly. Now it's gonna be installing it. So pretty much everything I did, but backwards. So like I said, we're gonna line this hole up right there with, see the hole on the shaft that's coming out? I gotta line those two holes up. Lining those two holes up will get me enough room to put the pin through, and the pin locks it in. Then I can hook up my hub. And yeah, that's how you do CV axles. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna put you guys up again. Alright, so pin is in. Show you guys quickly. Pin's in. Now it's gonna be getting this shaft into here. Should be no issue. Like I said, there's probably easier ways to do this, but I like choosing the hard ways apparently. Now as I put on this bolt here, it will suck it in and it should seat properly. I mean, it's already seated properly. So I'm now, sorry, I'm gonna put you guys down. So now that we have the one side complete, I'm gonna start doing the other side. I'm not gonna show you guys the process. I hope that that was enough information on how to change a CV axle. It's not too hard. I mean, you get real dirty. I would recommend you wear gloves. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can find this helpful and useful. If you did, please go down there, down below, subscribe, like the video. I'm gonna have a lot more content again with this thing and my 2017 Nissan 370. So yeah, I'm gonna get finished up now, do the other side, button up this side, and remember, be authentic.